Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to fix Gboard Clipboard missing, and it's me now Gboard Clipboard not showing for you. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss all of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First we go to the settings. You can go to the setting as usual for your immediately and automatically is downloading for you about the settings. I think you can go to the settings, and after that for the next step you can go to the additional settings, tap on, and as always you can go to the languages and input, and for the next step you can go to the manage keyboard as usual if you want to manage your keyboard, and also you can tap on for the manage keyboard, tap on. And let's go to the Gboard here, tap on for the Gboard. Okay, how to fix the Gboard clipboard I'm using? It means your Gboard clipboard not showing to you. You can go to the clipboard here. There's have so many options, but you don't need to do that. You can go to the clipboard. Okay, how to make it? You can tap on, just to tap on, tap for 1, tap for 2 and tap for 3. Okay, and after that you can allow of the access photo and media on your device, tap on allow. Okay, I will tell you about how to the first line here. So recently copy the text and image in the suggestion bar, and the second one about the show items such as addresses or phone number within a recently copied text, and for the third one, for the last but not least, you can go to save a session or screenshot in the clipboard. It's very simple, okay? Okay, I think it's enough to how to fix a Gboard clipboard missing. It's mean a Gboard clipboard not showing for you. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention. Enjoy for this video. Have a nice day and bye.